Hi guys, so the question is longest palindrome subsequence. What we have to do? We have given a string. From this string, we have to find the longest palindrome, subsequence palindrome. There is a sequence already there. We have to take a subsequence palindrome. Okay, so the answer will be what? 4. We have to return the length of the largest subsequence palindrome. Okay, so why is 4? The possible longest palindrome subsequence is 444. We have removed the a, so the subsequence would be something like bbbab. So it is the largest subsequence and a palindrome also. Okay, so how we are going to do that? Let's see in the code. Int is equal to choice. What I am doing? Okay, vector int dp and cross vector, and I mistype a lot, it happened. Then n comma 0. We have declared a 2D variable, 2D array, vector array. Then we initialize base case int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I increment dpi is equal to what? 1. Okay, then for int L is equal to 1 to len is less than equal to n, len increment. Okay, then a nested for loop int I is equal to 0, I plus len minus 1 is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, then int j is equal to I plus len minus 1 if s dot I is equal to s index j underscore bracket, then curly braces dp I j is equal to 2 plus dp I plus 1 j minus 1. Okay, then else dp I j is equal to max dp I plus 1 j dp I j minus 1. Okay, then return dp 0 and minus 1. Okay, let's run the code. Yeah, so the code is working fine. Beat 42% of the submissions in memory, and in runtime it beat almost 60% of the submission. So yeah, that's it guys. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will be very happy to reply it. Thank you for watching.